Hello friends, many of you have asked about book list, so we are presenting you book list of BSc second year, Allahabad University. Let's talk about chemistry, paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. For paper 1, we have Principle of Inorganic Chemistry by Puri Sharma Kalia. That's for paper 1. For paper 2, we have Organic Chemistry of Jagdamba Singh, Volume 2. You have read Volume 1 in first year. Now, for Organic Chemistry in second year, Volume 2 by Jagdamba Singh. Also, the third paper, last paper, we are having Principle of Physical Chemistry by Puri Sharma Patharia. This book is for first year, second year and third year, so you might have this one. Now physics, paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. For paper 1, N. Subramaniam Brizlal. Paper 2, Introduction to Electrodynamics by David J. Griffith. This is for second paper. For third paper, we have author Beiser's Concept of Modern Physics. Now, let's talk about math, paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. For paper 1, Linear Algebra by N. Bhattacharya. You can have this book. Paper 2, Real Analysis, we have book by S.C. Malik, Mathematical Analysis. For paper 3, we have two books. For first, static portion, we have textbook on statics by R.S. Verma. Now, we have one more book for paper 3 for maths, and that is Elementary Dynamics by P.L. Srivastava. Let's have the book list of bio. For bio department, we are having the following book list. For botany, we are having H.N. Srivastava. For zoology vertebrates, we have R.L. Kotpal. And practical book is P.S. Verma. Cell biology, genetics, molecular biology, evolution and ecology, we have P.S. Verma and V.K. Agrawal. The book list of chemistry might be same as of the maths students book list. Thank you. Keep following us and subscribe our channel. Hope you like the video. Soon we will bring the detailed discussion on syllabus of BSc second year. Till then, take care. Bye bye.